Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin. Now, Terra Classic Coin has gained over $65 million in the past 5 days. The market cap have gained over $65 million. This is a lot of money that have been pumped into Terra Classic Coin. Now, I believe this is an amazing to see this coin keep trading at a higher level right now. Terra Classic, the market cap right now is about $1.1 billion, which is amazing. And I believe before the middle of this year, before the ending of June 2023, Terra Classic market cap might be hitting between 1.5 and $2 billion, which simply means there is going to be a rise. Okay, Terra Classic will rise, and right now Terra Classic is gradually increasing in price every day by day. Now, I believe since Binance have also been continuing showing great support for Terra Classic, and then CZ himself is also not giving up. Of course, CZ owns Terra Classic coins, and we all believe that this coin can hit 1 penny, 1 cent. Now, Terra Classic have also showed that this year they are ready for a pump, they are ready to rise. From the beginning of this year, Terra Classic has been increasing in price, especially the market cap, and I'm happy to see Terra Classic hitting such level by this time of the year. You know, from the beginning of the year, it's always difficult for most crypto coins to gain a lot of market cap because so many people actually spend a lot of money during festive period. So you can see coins now are actually gaining a lot. You can see Bitcoin also gaining over $100 billion this year alone. It's amazing. I'm happy to see this year becomes a bullish year for crypto industry. Now let's keep hoping for Terra Classic to keep increasing. The market cap, I hope to hit before the end of the month. The market cap can be hitting between 1.3 or 1.5 billion dollars. It's going to be amazing for Terra Classic. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.